In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore and utilize the Perplexity feature by changing models effectively. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process with clarity and confidence. First, let's head to Google. Opening your preferred web browser, type google.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the Google homepage has loaded, move on to the next step. Now, it's time to search for Perplexity. In the search bar on Google, type in the word Perplexity and press enter. This will bring up a variety of search results related to the term, and you'll want to find the official website for Perplexity. Once the search results have appeared, find and click on the official Perplexity website link. This will take you directly to their homepage, where you can explore their features and tools that will help you achieve what you're looking to do today. Once on the Perplexity site, the first interaction you'll have is to make a prompt. For our purpose, let's use the prompt. Why are hurricanes getting stronger due to climate change? After typing in the prompt, you want to move on to the model selection. To explore how different models can impact responses, click on Models. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the interface. This is where you can choose which AI model you want to utilize for answering your prompt. The first model we'll select is GPT-5. Simply click on GPT-5, and you're set up with this model's framework and capabilities to generate a response based on your prompt. Once you've done that, click on the Submit button to send your prompt to the model. Now, give it a moment. The system will process your query, and based on the model's algorithms, it will generate a response for you. This moment of patience allows the models to provide a comprehensive and accurate answer. To continue with our exploration, we're going to make that prompt again, this time with a twist. Type the exact same prompt as before. Why are hurricanes getting stronger due to climate change? Then, let's change the model to see how different AI interpretations can yield varied angles on the same topic. Click on Model once more, and this time, select Claude Sonnet 4.5 from the list of available models. This change will allow us to compare its response with that of GPT-5, offering us insights into how different models analyze and produce answers. After selecting Claude Sonnet 4.5, you should look for the highlight button and click it. This will help draw attention to specific parts of the response that stand out, helping you better understand the nuances and finer details of what this particular model emphasizes. With this exploration and comparison, you have effectively utilized Perplexity to experiment with different models. This can enhance your understanding of how AI models interpret queries differently, making it a powerful tool in AI interaction.